It's going to be very dry this year, and we want to take a few minutes to talk about what that means for water conditions in the Rogue River Basin and Willamette Valley, and how it's going to affect all of us. We manage a system of 13 dams and reservoirs in the Willamette Valley and 2 in the Rogue River Basin. Their primary job is protecting communities from flooding, but they also support things like recreation, water supply, fish and wildlife, agricultural irrigation, and hydropower. And it's our job to balance all of these needs throughout the year. This year, though, that job is going to be even more challenging. We've had less rain and snow than usual, which means there's just simply less water available. Our reservoirs won't fill like they normally do, and that affects everything. Recreation, hydropower, water supply, fish habitat, they're all going to feel the impact. Our goal is to manage the system in a way that spreads those impacts as fairly as possible, and that means making some tough decisions. We have to follow important laws, including protections for endangered species, so we'll be making thoughtful decisions on where our actions could have the greatest positive impact. Even in a dry year, the system still helps. The reservoirs allow us to store water when it's available, and then release it later in the summer when rivers would otherwise run even lower. That extra support makes a real difference in meeting the needs of cities, farms, and fish downstream. You'll still be able to enjoy recreation on the lakes and rivers, but water levels will be lower than usual. Some boat ramps may be closed earlier in the season than you're used to, so it's a good idea to plan ahead. Make sure to check your current reservoir levels and ramp availability online before heading out by searching Willamette Valley Teacup Diagram or Rogue River Teacup Diagram. These resources are a great way to stay up to date on lake levels. At the end of the day, we're part of this community too. We care about the people, economy, and natural environment of Oregon. And with extreme conditions like this, we're committed to making the best possible decisions with the water we do have this year.